Welcome to Mr. V Teaching Math. In this session, we're going to take a look at one of the other elements of our order of operations. Here you see exponents and roots. What are roots? They are closely related to exponents. In this lesson, we're going to look at what roots are. First, I'm going to use some of these tiles just to represent a number. Here is the number 9. If I were asked, what number multiplied by itself equals 9? That's another way of saying root. To find a root means what number multiplied by itself, and we use this symbol. So this question is asking, what number multiplied by itself equals 9? If we look at this square, you can actually see the answer. It's 3 times 3. So the square root, we call it the square root. You'll notice because it forms a square, and the root of it is 3. Is 3. You'll also notice that if we take 3 to the power of 2, also called 3 squared, that equals 9. You'll notice that these are connected. Square root is the reverse of squaring a number. Some more examples. Here we have the number 16. And if we ask ourselves the question, what number multiplied by itself is 16? We can see the answer right here. The square root of 16 is 4. Now, it does so happen that there are other kinds of roots out there. This is a cube root. What number multiplied by itself 3 times is 27? That happens to be 3. And you can actually have all sorts of numbers here. This is a variable. You can have lots and lots and lots of different numbers here. But whenever you see it written just like this, there's actually a lazy mathematician who doesn't put a 2 here. There's a 2 sitting right here. It's rarely ever shown, but this tells you that you're trying to find the square root of a number. The most obvious numbers, or easiest numbers I should say, to find the square roots for are the perfect squares. And so on. Each of these are fairly easy to do the square root of. And in my classroom, we actually memorize all of these and many more because we use the spirit of math drills which have us memorizing square roots all the way up to 60 squared, or the square root of 3,600. And that is what roots are.